January 2019, and this is my birthday, and this is my son Shaurya.
Oh, look at that. As you guys can see there, it's fireworks. It's Friday, so obviously fireworks. So look at that view. We're gonna just zoom in if I can. Lovely right there. It's just even more. Look at those glitter shiny things. It's just glittering and shining, as we can see from here. Near the fossil, look, up there. Lovely, absolute delight. And there's different colors too: green, pink, red, yellow, gold, red, gold again, red again. It's a mixture of that and orange. More genuine fireworks here. It's a lot. It's good. Red, yellow, gold, red, gold. More coming to us. What's that? What is that? We want to see that.
Yay!
The little fires
Up.
glittering. And you see them more up towards here. Let me just show you a clear view. Let's see what's next. Oh, the big red one. Another big red one. Red. Red everywhere. Now there's those little cross spider thingies that look dangerous, but they aren't. Lovely red color that's just bursting inside. From a higher view, shows. Whoa! Coming! Inside! Lovely! We can see more of that. Is that it? Or our last one? No, I don't think so. Anyway, let me show you this lighting. This is just beautiful. Sheraton Hotel, everything. You can see the Skyline Tower there. And most importantly, the hotels, but as well as the falls. And right now on the American side, it is yellow, violet, and maybe turquoise. Canadian side is always beautiful, as we show here. Higher view can be shown. That's leaving a lot of smoke. It's leaving a lot of smoke. It's the top of the Skyline Tower. And look at everyone is being here, right? Everyone wants to be here, and that's you. That's America. Seneca, and that's going to be part of New York State. Well, this is Ontario Province. We're just on the border right now. As you can see here, I'm walking. And so far, I've just come here like for my dad's birthday, and we're not going to come see that. But I guess that's one of just those fire thingies. And then, yeah, Sheraton. We stayed there, I think, 2 years ago on the night. And there's just about everything. That's just left from Christmas, as you see. We came here to see the Frozen Falls. It wasn't frozen, but at least we got to see the fireworks I just showed you. Yeah, there's just cars. And then I think it's over. Wow. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.